A lot is happening with this market. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, Director of Trading at the MarketGauge Group. Good to see you there, Michele. And of course, the airlines are soaring now that international travel is happening again, and that $1 trillion spending bill in infrastructure was passed by the House. What do you think here, Michele?
Well, there was a lot of anticipation ahead of it, which is one of the reasons why the market rallied a lot last week. And it's only one part of the bill that the Biden administration hopes to pass. They still want to pass another $1 trillion plus amount of money for some social programs, safety nets, et cetera. But right now, I think there's that's helping the market, but there's also the fact that the United States has now allowed foreign travelers to come in as long as they have proof of vaccine or a COVID test negative, and that's going to be a real boost back to what we've really lost over the last couple of years, which is tourism. And so I think we have an optimism there. And everything looks great, except you hear stories like, this is the scariest thing I've heard, people are actually taking second mortgages or refinancing their house and then using that money not just for renovation, but to buy stocks. So when you get that kind of a leverage going on and everybody jumping into the game, that makes it a little bit frightening here in nosebleed territory. So I'm not saying this is the top, but what I am saying is that anybody who's first getting in now should really have some idea of risk and how to manage risk.
Michele, is it too late, though, to buy the airline stocks?
Well, actually, considering that they have well underperformed, particularly when you're looking at some of these tech stocks, probably not. But once again, if you just take a stock like JetBlue, which about a week and a half ago was trading at $14.50 and is now trading over $16, as long as you have some awareness of what your risk is, in case there's any kind of downturn, it's okay. Because if that stock is good, we know that stock is traded up to $20, $25, even $30. So that's the kind of thing you do want to look at. Buying these lofty tech stocks up here would be very, very risky.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, I think that because we have so many highly overvalued stocks in the United States and the indices themselves are so high, I'm liking some of the emerging countries, particularly Greece. The ETF there is GREK. It's trading over 28. It's been basing. A few years ago, it was at 7. I think it has potential to go into the mid-30s.
Well, stay on your toes, Michele. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.